In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend two photos in PhotoRoom on the web. Start by opening your browser and heading to photoroom.com. Log into your account so you can save your work and access all the tools. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Create a Design. This opens a fresh workspace where you'll build your image. Next, click Select Photos. Here, choose the picture you want to be your main image. This is the photo that will serve as the base of your design. For best results, pick a high-quality image with clear subjects and good lighting. After you've selected it, click Insert. Your main image will appear on the canvas, ready for editing. Now you'll bring in the second image that you plan to blend with the first. Upload the second image just like before. Once it appears in your workspace, click the second image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles or a highlighted outline around it. With that second image selected, click Blend. This opens the blending options that control how the top image interacts with the one underneath. You'll see choices like Lighten, Darken, and Screen. Here's how to think about them. Lighten keeps the brighter parts of the selected image and lets darker areas fall away, which is great for removing darker backgrounds or adding light flares and textures. Darken does the opposite. It preserves darker areas and hides lighter ones, helpful for overlaying shadows or ink-like textures. Screen brightens the combination overall and is a classic choice for removing black backgrounds or adding luminous overlays such as sparkles or light leaks. Try each mode briefly to see which one best integrates your two images. If the composition needs refinement, resize or reposition the second image. Drag the corners to scale it up or down while holding the image's proportions, and move it around the canvas until the elements line up naturally. Aim for balance. Keep important subjects clear and avoid covering key details in your main image. A small shift can make the blend look more intentional and seamless. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Download and Export. PhotoRoom will process your design and prepare a file you can save to your device. That's it. You've blended two images quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you blend images with confidence, feel free to practice with different photo pairs and revisit those blend modes to see how each one changes the mood of your design.